Hi, my name is Nicole Simone from the Digivac Company, and I'm here today to talk about how to clean contaminated thermocouple tubes. A thermocouple tube has an internal sensor that, if contaminated, gives off poor performance and incorrect readings. Knowing a little bit more about what the internal structure of the tube looks like helps us understand what happens if the tube gets contaminated and how to fix it. On the board here, we have what the inside of the tube looks like. As you can see, there's two wires in the shape of an X, and surrounding those wires is measurable gas. The thermocouple element senses temperature. We heat the wire and measure its temperature as the surrounding gas cools the thermocouple. Because the temperature of the wire is directly proportional to the amount of gas in the tube, we can infer pressure in the system. When the tube is contaminated, that means that there's oil or other substances that can isolate the thermocouple element from the surrounding gases, and this could lead to incorrect readings. Contaminated tubes are also slow to respond, and the readings grossly over or undershoot the expected results. You can check and see if your thermocouple tube is contaminated by performing a visual test using an otoscope to see if there's an oil pool at the bottom of the tube. If there's a visible sign of oil pouring out of the open end of the tube, or your reading is too slow or too high for the expected pressure range, those could also be signs that the tube is contaminated. There are many ways to fix and clean the tube, and we're going to show you how.
So you want to see how we clean a thermocouple tube?
Yeah.
You can use this stuff, acetone, everybody's got it. If you really want to do a good job, get some carburetor cleaner. Common carburetor cleaner. Where glass is going to come back at the tube at you. Insert the straw of the tube inside the sensor just a little bit. Close it off. Give it a shot. Shake it out. Oil comes out. Let it dry.
Allow your thermocouple tube to dry completely before reinstalling it back into your system. Keep in mind that sensors with baffles in them take a little bit longer than sensors without them. If you have any more questions about how to decontaminate our thermocouple tube, please visit our website at digivac.com. Thanks.